I'm Laurel McGarel with MVP Realty, here to present to you 3299 Boca Ciega Drive in Naples, Florida. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa with a 1-car attached garage, and I know you're going to love it. This hidden gem of Naples in Lakewood Villas is near the heart of downtown Naples and lives like a new single-family ranch that has had several updates, including brand new white shaker cabinets in the kitchen and bathrooms, quartz countertops, new tiled bathrooms, a new HVAC system, new luxury vinyl flooring has been freshly painted, and exteriorly the walls have been fully waterproofed and the flat roof has a new plywood and membrane. This home comes furnished turnkey with very few exclusions and the most peaceful view overlooking your golf course and lake. As an added bonus, I know you're going to fall in love with the sensational sunsets with your Southwestern rear exposure. Looking for the perfect place? Call me today for a private showing. Laurel McGarel, MVP Realty.